Hello and welcome. I am Kim, and together with my dogs, Bobby, Pilou, and Wolfy, we live in my self-built campervan, and we are navigating van life and making it our own. Come along as we say yes to new adventures.
Hey wonderful, beautiful people. This is gonna be a video that has been chopped because what happened was I was painting, it was all going very well, and then I had painted everything and I had to put everything back in the van, and I stepped out of the van and I dropped my phone, and I video everything on my phone, and I dropped it on rocks, like on the hard floor, and it cracked the screen completely, and I was out of a phone for a couple of days, so I couldn't vlog anything. And then I put everything back in the van, I went back to Utrecht, I started working again, and now we're a week later. And now we are in Ape because I painted everything in the van, but there was one issue in the van. I have this shelving above the bed at the back doors, and they have a bounce to it because I made a branch underneath to support it, and it still bounces, so whenever I go on rocky roads or something, the baskets come out, fall off, and everything is a mess. So we are now in Ape. We are at the same part of the woods where I found the branches that are in my kitchen, and the branches that are in the back, and the branches that are my bedside table, because I want to have the exact same branches, or at least similar ones. So I measured how much we need, and we are going to go into the woods and find some more branches. I'm not taking the dogs because I have a bag with like a saw and everything, and I need to carry the branches out. So we are going to go in there now and find some beautiful branches. You know what I love to see? Fall is setting in, so there's little yellow and orangey leaves come in, and I hope to be traveling again in fall, like half of October. I'm really hoping I can leave half of October. And I love that it's still summer, it's so warm, but fall is setting in. I love seeing the early signs. So for some reason, there's one spot in these woods that I found branches way back when I started doing the van build, and I just always want to go back there. I haven't found any other branches that I like similar. I just want them to all be the same, I think. And we're almost getting there. Let me show you the beautiful trees that provide me with these wonderful, beautiful branches. So we're here, and the trees that I got my wood from are these. That one, the big ones. They are some type of oak, I believe, and they're wonderful. And the kitchen branches I got from over there, but I thought that after that I was looking for something that I found it over there. But I'm just gonna have a little look around to see if I can find something that gives me some inspiration on what to do. But yeah, it's dry weather, so that's good. The wood will be dry. Let's have a look around and see what branches we can find. Today I found one that I think could work. I'm not sure if it's too big, but it could be just fine. I want a bigger one than I have. No, I don't think I can use that. But the thing is, now I need to find another one that's similar. Now we need to find another one that's similar because I would really like two of sort of the same one. So let's go have another look around. So I had to walk quite a bit, but I think I may have stumbled upon something in this little pile, so let me investigate. Oh, there's a cute little dog. I love dogs. Let me investigate. Found, and then they are supposed to sit sort of like this. I think it might work. They're sturdier than the ones I have, and they are dry, and they are similar shape, not exactly, close enough. I think this might work. Okay, let's go back home and let's go see what we can do with them. Hello, puppies. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Hello. So we're back. Oh, it's so warm. I was wearing a beautiful little sundress, but I don't want to get anything on there, so I took it off. It's a bit hot. Okay, so I hadn't showed you guys this because it's not finished, but look, I got new bedsheet covering and it's absolutely amazing. I will show you all of it with the end result at the end of this video because I'm waiting for the thing that goes over it. It's still in the mail, but this is my new, so this is a little sneak peek of my new bedsheet covering. But these are the branches I'm talking about. That one and that one. They're a bit too tiny, so I'm going to see if I can make the big ones fit because that will be awesome. Okay, so I finished sawing them to size, which was a pain in the butt because you have to have the wall and then you have to have the diagonal up and then the diagonal over there, and it's just, I need to go fix Wolfy. You okay? Don't eat stuff. So it was a pain in the butt, but I finished it. And now I put oil on it. I use the same furniture oil that I've used for the ceiling, the other wood that I have in the van. And now I need it to dry, then I can polish it with the cloth, and then I need to do it again, polish it again, and then I'll be able to install it. And yeah, then I finished that short. Yeah, I'm really happy the way it's looking now. I think it's going to be really cool. And I am looking forward to it being done because it's hot. I just want to sit down, relax, walk the dogs in the beautiful woods and just enjoy. But yeah, they're coming out great so far. Looks nice. Hey beautiful people, thank you guys for watching this video. I was editing it and I just now realized there's something wrong with the sound on my phone, so I'm so sorry for the bad sound quality. I made an appointment to have my phone checked out again, but I didn't know this before, so that could be an issue for somebody listening. I'm so sorry about that. I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. I could give you, there's a little tiny bit of spoiler at the end of my curtain, which will be in the next video. I'll be showing you how I made the curtain in the next video. So it's a 3-part series because in the next video I'll be showing you the entire result. I'll have everything the way I wanted and I'll show you what the van is looking like right now, and it's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, don't forget to say yes to new fan vengers.